Hi guys! So today is June 21st and it is currently Father's Day. Guys, wala ako na-prepare from your father, so I think we just have to eat out. Yun na naman ang gusto ni Daddy is to eat out. So, it's 7:55 in the morning. We're supposed to leave at 6 a.m. I woke up at 4:30. Guys, pagsilip ko sa kwarto nila mommy, sobrang tulog sila. So, I was so hesitant to wake them up. So, tulog na lang ulit ako. Then, ginising ako ng 6 o'clock. Dire-diretso na. So, now, they are preparing. So, anytime soon, na-miss na kami. And, I've repeated my damit. Kasi guys, kahapon nag-church lang naman kami, tapos umuwi na rin. I mean, nag-coffee lang after, then umuwi na rin. And hindi mainit. So ayun, malinis yung dumi ko. So, sayang naman. Sayang yung sabon. Sayang yung softener. So, why not repeat your damit, diba? So, ayun. We're going in a bit na rin. I'm just preparing my stuff, my cell phones, and everything. So, I will see you guys later. Bye, guys. Wow!
Please, nasa na kaya yun? Gusto ko, tawagan ko na. Sabi ko mga nga, hindi tayo sa dance.
Okay, so we already bought Daddy a gift. So, dito na lang kami sa Hydro Flask since it's sale. So, bumili na rin ako ng sakin. So, yeah. We're just going to have it engraved. Tapos, done. So, ayan, they do frame it. So, tatanungin ka nila kung anong gusto mo. Like, if it's horizontal or vertical. Pero yun. So, tapos after nyan, we will have it engraved na. So, next na is my bottle. So, nag-iisa na lang din yan. So, ayan. They're just doing the same thing. Papacheck nila yung font and kung saan nilalagay. So, ayan. So, mommy bought me a sweatshirt dun sa nakita niya sa fitting room. So, pa-birthday niya na daw to. And, tagal pa ng birthday ko, sis. But,
Wala silang butik niya. Wala po sa Japan nata. Ano,